Hello everybody, welcome to another video of Andrew and Nicole. Today we're going to unbox something special, a Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. It recently came from the package and we will do an unboxing and take a look at what's inside, the specs, and give you an overview. And recently we got this from a sale of Samsung Philippines. They promoted it at half the price, so my brother got one and he wanted me to unbox it for you so that you can see what's inside. Let's open up. Now the Galaxy Buds Plus is actually the second one that came out. The first one was Galaxy Buds, and this one has some improvements over the first one. Namely, they have more tweeters, and the noise cancelling has also been improved. Okay, so the packaging is well made. So we'll remove all of those, the box, and here it is. Okay, package. We got the black one, and we'll open it up for you. So there are actually 4 different colors. This is the black, they have a red, they have a silver, and a blue that matches with the color of the Samsung S20. So if you got one of those, you can buy matching earbuds for your Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, but this one, we got the black one. So as you can see, this is the Galaxy Buds Plus. Okay, so there's very plenty of packaging, so let's open it up. So Apple releases their own earbuds, so Samsung also had to follow suit, and this is the Samsung Buds Plus. As you can see, you have the carrying case, you have the 2 earpiece from the one for each ear, of course, and this is the codes. Okay, manufactured just this year. Okay, I might need to blur some of those so that you will not use it in bad purpose. Okay, so Galaxy Buds, and here are the specs. Okay, you have 11 hours of playtime. You have two-way speakers for rich sound, triple mics for clearer voice talk, Qi compatible wireless charging. Okay, so this sound by AKG. Package contents 2 earbuds, charging case, wingtip, earbud tips, and USB cable, and a quick start guide. You can use this with any smartphone as long as you have Android or iOS. Okay, so Android, you have to be Android 5.0 with 1.5 gigs of RAM and above. Okay, supported device, I know it's anything iPhone 7 and above. You can use this one to connect, and battery life may vary depending on the usage. All right, so let's open it up and see. So do not accept when seal is broken. So you can see this is legit. Let's open up the seal using my fingers. Okay, and you have another one. I cannot use my finger there, so we'll just use my scissors. There you go. So we're going to take a look at what's inside the box. Okay, so here we go. So you have the carrying case. Okay, so this is the carrying case. Okay, the buds is inside, and let's take a look at what's in the box still. So you have the USB cable. This is USB-C. Okay, so USB-A to USB-C, and you have the different ear tips to make sure you can customize how your earbuds would fit inside your ear. Okay, so I won't bring it out anymore. So see, you have some of those. Okay, and some instruction manual. There you go. So instruction manual. Oh, this side. Okay. So it's quick start guide, warranty card. Okay, so it comes with different languages: English, Chinese, Arabic, Korean. All right. So let's take a look at now what's inside here. So it comes with a very nice capsule shaped case. Okay, reflects the light. Okay, very nice to the touch. Feels very premium, and it will safe keep all your buds. And this is where you also charge your buds. Okay, so you have this one. Okay, this one. So this one comes with noise cancelling. Okay, so and the other one. Okay, so you have you can change the tips, this one and this one, so make sure you're in your ear it will fit. So how much does this cost? This one costs around 7,500 pesos, but if you catch it on sale, you can get it half the price, or sometimes a little higher than that. So it depends on the promo of Samsung. All right, so what you can do is you can put all your left and right. Okay, you have a left and right. Let me see if you can focus. Yeah, left and right. So earpiece there, and you can plug it in a USB-C. This one. I don't know if you can see there. Okay, USB-C, and you plug it in your wall outlet charger adapter, wherever you want to put it. Okay, so we're gonna try to test it out and install from my iPhone. So I don't know if it will work. So let's see. So let's see if we can search and find the earbuds. So I have here my iPhone, Bluetooth. Okay, so let's see if we can find the earbuds. There you go, earbuds plus. So this is pairing now. Okay, so I don't know if it paired already. It's pairing. Oh, it's connected already. See, connected. So if I play a music, say Spotify, okay, let's see some love songs. You'll not be able to hear it from here, but you can probably hear it from the Galaxy Buds. Okay, so I can actually hear the sound music now. Okay, so I can hear the music playing in the earbuds. Okay, I will try to describe the sound audio quality. Okay, it's actually sounds very good. It's a decent earbuds. If you can get it on a discount, much better. It has rich sound. Okay, let me get the other one. And you can touch the buttons to pause and play, as you can see. Pause and play. Okay. So it automatically controls your music application, well, in Spotify at least. Alright, so the music is actually pretty good. Let me see if I can forward it. Okay, so I'm listening to an acoustic version of the song, so you can clearly hear the guitar strings and the vocals are well pronounced. Okay, and I can hear the different instruments. Okay, so you might not be able to hear it because it's copyright song, but trust me, the quality is very, very good. Okay, so there you have it, guys. This is a very brief overview of the Galaxy earbuds. So if you are interested to buy one of these, I'll put all the links in the description down below, and hopefully you can catch a sale. Sometimes they have it on sale on the weekends. All right, so thank you very much for watching my short unboxing video of the Galaxy earbuds, and hope you enjoyed. And if you find this useful, please like and give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and check on the links down below for the full product specifications of the Galaxy earbuds. Thank you, and see you on the next video.